What it do, YouTube? I got my boy Trey with me. I got my girl. They can't see you back there. I got my girl Shannon with me. She got her Cheez-Its. Y'all see them Cheez-Its? Show them Cheez-Its. Yeah, whatever them. You got them Vienna sauces. Yeah, you see what time it is to crack a motherfucking dawn. YouTube, what it do? We back. Hey, look, it's finna go down. Look, they got the cooler. I don't know what's in the cooler. They got some goodies in there. Drugs and monies and all that shit. They going down. We got cool. Hey, let's go. We finna go fishing. Hey, we waiting on one more. We got one more on the way. I'm sorry we're a little bit late. But I apologize, sir. We got one more though. It's Saturday, man. It's my birthday. They got me drunk last night. I apologize. I'm ready today though. I'm ready. I promise you I'm ready. They got me a little bit lit last night. I'm still pretty lit, but we gonna have some fun today. We gonna have some fun. We got one guy that's out. He's probably like 15 minutes out. So
by this time of morning, they'll be on fire for a few minutes.
Oh man, call him, man. He got them. Where you at? Well, come on, we waiting on you. The captain waiting on you. He said the fish biting right now. Don't worry about the ice. We good. Don't need to stop. Come on. We got ice in the cooler. Oh yeah, we good. We got ice in the cooler. You good?
I got 50 pounds of ice in the boat.
And then the captain said he got ice too. So bring your ass on. We ain't even got time. Don't even stop. Come on. Who it is? That goddamn dancer.
I need to bring my shotgun. We good.
No, you leave the shotgun now. You brought snack?
Can I bring what?
You got some snacks?
Hell no, I ain't bring no damn snack. I ate something when I left the house though.
The boat in the water waiting on you. I don't know. Well, come on. YouTube. Hey. Ha ha. Who that is right there? Hey. Y'all ain't never.
Northern ass out here.
Hey, she from look at them big ass birds, y'all. No, she scared of birds. Hey, she scared of birds, y'all. Look at them big ass birds, bro. She ain't finna play. I got my personal guy here tote my cooler. And I ain't lying to nobody. Gonna get out here on the water.
About to drive
no, we gonna let the captain drive the boat. You ain't driving. Alright, what we gonna do, y'all? You know what I'm saying?
About to drive the boat.
The boat. Let me get one of them Michelobs. My way. Early in the morning, boy.
Bday.
Man, so I think we reached our destination. I don't know, but yeah, we just here. Hey, jump.
Yeah, I'm gonna hang it.
You gonna hang it?
Hang it.
That's something.
Ain't gonna hang shit. I'm not doing a little something when I get up there, man.
Come on now. You might do a little something. Hey, you say you ain't been in the water all year.
Oh, yeah. Ain't nothing to it. Ain't like riding a bicycle.
Come on now.
I
won't tell you nothing, but you ain't never been too sporty with that fishing though.
No, we crazy. I just smoke him and Mark Dog sometimes.
Hey, well, me and Mark Dog stay whooping that motherfucker.
Oh, that's the bugs on the water?
Alright.
Where you got that, Bill?
You said yep. Horn point. Yeah. A little too deep. A little too deep. And always leave the rods in the rod holders. That way you ain't gonna worry about kicking one over, okay? Alright.
Sam?
Y'all can step up. Some of y'all step up
Sam
front.
was
Watch
good.
the rods. We'll get y'all a couple rods apiece here going. And just watch your rod. Now you'll know if he hits it, it'll be bent under the water. If you see the end of that rod just kind of wiggling, That ain't a bite. That's
just
that
the weight.
hand jerking on.
Okay.
Wait, how big are they?
Anywhere from a pound, usually, anywhere to 20, 25 pounds, depending on what kind of fish we get on.
Yeah, y'all going to help me.
I'll show you some pictures here in a little bit.
Y'all going to help me.
Help, help, help.
Help me. Yeah, reel that mother, reel it in. Oh shit. Damn, Trey, you got off. She got one though.
Pull him in, pull him in. Hold on, keep right.
It's about get it. Just pull it in, pull it in. That's a look. Pull it. Yeah. She's about get it. Hey, Dawson. She's about get it. Trey don't miss his damn fish. Put your little hair on there.
Oh, I caught one today. Yay. High five.
Won't hit him dead.
Dude, it's funny. Some days they'll eat cut bait, and other days they won't eat nothing but crispy live bait. Like sometimes you drop that brand new bait, they just freaking smash you. Alright, watch your line. There's some more fish coming through. See them coming through? That's live action fish right there swimming under the boat.
Okay.
So that's that scope right there. See that right there, Trey?
Yeah.
So that's live action. That's actually that fish swimming along. You can see what he's doing. 4 Southerns on the boat, the Yankee.
Yeah.
Philly. You at least could have got us a Philly cheesesteak sandwich and brought with you.
I ain't been home since like last year. September.
Really?
Yeah, I don't go home often.
A lot of creeks and ponds. Yes, sir. Y'all better tighten up over
Wait.
there. What y'all talking about? Y'all better tighten up.
Ah.
That's alright.
You got the smallest fish in the
I
world.
got you.
That's alright. I got the most fish so far though. Hey, Trey got that. Trey wanna hold it rod up or nothing, bro. What you look? I told you got. That's good. What it look like, Bill? Hold it.
that lid, Cole.
Let me see what it look like, Bill. Let me see it, Bill. What he got?
He got a
Little strapper. I'm finna record. Don't worry about it. You look, I ain't get him on the camera with that damn rod down like that. Huh? Get one of them hair rons up out of there.
One of who?
The hair ron.
Herons.
It's no herons.
Everybody got something in the bucket now.
Everybody done caught one, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice one.
Yeah, but how many y'all?
Everybody
done
having fun?
I done caught 3 on y'all motherfucking ass.
Be a gentleman, reel her rod up and check her back.
I got it.